So this is what 2,700 trees look like. We were initially going to have 5,000 here, and then, well, that's still the plan, many more in the long term, but then we're like, well, we've got to get all of these down from here, 1 hour down by there, mule plant them, like we can't do 5,000 in one go. So we'll start with 2,000 and build from there. Anyway, 2,700 arrived.
Hola, mi nombre es Jesse, vivo en Argelia y hago parte de este bonito proyecto que se llama Yacumadre. El trabajo mío dentro de la obra es ayudarle a don Rodrigo a pasar los bloques de la madera cuando son muy grandes, ya que son muy pesados y él solo no es capaz. Ya de allá pasan acá, yo los pulo con la máquina o la pulidora, luego los pinto y ya se los paso a los compañeros para que empiecen a ensamblar lo que es ya el proyecto como tal.
The roof's now basically on, almost all of it. Putting the guttering in on the other side. This is Siran. I don't think we met Siran yet. He's actually Renato's dog, but Renato's in Switzerland at the minute, so I'm taking him down here for a bit of a holiday at the same time. Tomorrow we're going to be starting to put these into big bags, bringing them down by mule, making sure that we don't damage any of them. Don Edinson, ¿cómo está la bajada con todos los árboles?
Oh, nos fue muy bien, cargamos y nos fue muy bien, pues nos tocó moverla en el camino del guito, pero nos fue bien. Oh, todo muy bonito, todo muy bonito todo.
There's no cost actually to get them to this point. A friend helped us with the transport, but what there is a huge cost to is getting them from here to there in the ground, naturally fertilized, taking care of them, the fence and so much more. So the fun hasn't even begun.
La vida por acá en la vereda es muy bonita. Es muy bacano cambiar de trabajar dentro de 4 paredes como lo hacíamos en el pueblo, a venir a trabajar al aire libre y con una naturaleza tan bonita como la que vemos por acá.
This is the first earth circle, the first plateo as they're called here, of the 2,700 trees that are coming down. So 1 meter in diameter. There's the second one. Yeah, initially 2,700 to do. This is the ultimate aim, that it all becomes natural rainforest again, and all the stuff on the floor starts to grow when the trees, and it gives the shade, and it's kind of part of the cycle. So they were just planting the bigger trees like those two right now. In time, many years, all the rest of the floor will start to grow as well. And that noise you hear isn't chainsaws cutting this down, it's just Juan Diego and Jefferson down there strimming just below the rainforest we're in at the minute.
Estoy trabajando acá poniendo una polisombra para trabajar en la fresca, que es lo más importante. Por acá es muy amañador no levantarse, escuchar las aves, escuchar el río pasar y lo más importante, disfrutar mi trabajo, lo que estoy haciendo.
That's the first load of trees arrived, so now to take it from there. The first load of trees from the 1 million. I don't know what the goal is, but it'll be something like that number by the end of my life, if not a lot more. And I think much more important than this and doing this work is actually making sure there's no need to do this work by protecting, well, all this behind us that's already here and happily standing.
Los invito a que sigan el canal, a que se suscriban y vamos para adelante con el proyecto.